If I become the president of Uganda, the first thing I want to do is to kill ministers, directors, commissioners. I want to see all government officers who are corrupt being killed on firing squad at the Constitutional Square. I want to see every morning the Constitutional Square full of blood of corrupt ministers. I want to kill like 15 ministers, 20 directors, about 30 commissioners. I want to see that the corrupt registrars in every land office is killed at the firing squad. I want to see corrupt judges, corrupt police officers. Kill them. We have so many bullets. The factory is ours at Nakasongora. We don't buy those bullets. Shoot every corrupt officers with the 4,000 bullets. I want to see Uganda in just 5 years, second to Dubai. I want to see Christopher Damulira doing his work. Detect. I want to see the IGP Abbas arresting. I want to see the CID director Magambo scrutinizing the evidence adduced by police. If one is found guilty of corruption, minister, 4,000 bullets each. I'm going to make sure that all the thieves, people who steal people's animals, crops, robbers, the moment we arrest you, you are taken to the firing squad at the Constitutional Square. I want to see that place, the Constitutional Square, full of blood every day. Don't call President Basajjamivule to ask me, now this minister has done this, what should we do? Shortcut.